This is a dewatering screen loading site in the workshop. The main functions are dewatering, desliming and deintermediation. It can be used for washing sand in sand and gravel plant, recovery of slime in coal preparation plants, dry discharge of tailings in a mineral processing plant, etc. Therefore, it is also called sand or mining dewatering screen, coal slime dewatering screen, tailings dry discharge screen, high-frequency dewatering screen, etc. It has the following 4 performance advantages. 1. High efficiency, strong vibrating force and large capacity. 2. Simple structure and easy operation and maintenance. 3. 45 degrees angle install increases the dewatering area. The vibrating frequency is adjustable to meet different ores. 4. Polyurethane screen with better elasticity and fewer blocks. The PU side push plates protect the equipment from the rushing material and guard the long life of the whole device. Welcome to contact us for designing a dewatering screen and quote online.